Okay. Good morning, friends. I am Sanjana Patil, pursuing my BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication from SSVPS College of Engineering, Dhule. Today I am going to present this PPT and going to give you the project demonstration as the part of EMERTXE IoT internship, which is provided by EMERTXE Information Technologies, Bangalore. So what I have learned in this internship. This is the content of my PPT, that is C and C++ programming language, then Internet of Things, then embedded system, after that project requirement, then the project demonstration or implementation, and then conclusion. The topics covered in C language are the C language syntax and its data types, constructs and operators, then arrays, function and pointers, preprocessors, recursion and strings. This all I have learned during this internship. Then the basic parts covered in C++ language are the basic syntax of C++, its classes, its objects, then the constructors and destructors. So what is IoT? As the name itself suggests that it is an Internet of Things, which describes the networks of physical objects, that is things, that are embedded with sensors, softwares and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over Internet. Means it's basically work over the Internet. These devices can be household object or industrial tools. By means we can control over activity trackers, home security, industrial security and many more by using Internet of Things, that is IoT. Then what is embedded systems? The basic and very simple definition of embedded system is that it is the combination of hardware and software designed for the specific task. Embedded system may also function with large systems. This system can be programmable or have its fixed function. It can be used in the agriculture sector, pre-processing industry, machineries, smartwatch, automobiles, household devices, etc. where we can use embedded system or it works in that. So this is the picture of the project, that how the project will work. Okay. So as you can see that there is a Pixim lab, then Blink IoT mobile application. Home automation is the automatic control of electronic devices in our home. These devices are connected to internet or it works over the internet, which allows them to be controlled remotely. For example, if we take an example, then we can put or you can put your lights on or on schedule timing, so they turn off when you normally go to sleep, or we also can use it as means AC. Okay, so when we go to home, before 1 hour we can set it turn on, so when we go home it will already suitable in total or in electricity. So next is the project requirements which we are going to demonstrate in further, that is Arduino Uno IDE, then PiximLab for simulation, and then Blink application for controlling devices. How this project will work? So this is the home automation project. By using PiximLab for simulation, Blink IoT application and doing program on Arduino IDE, we have built the project successfully. In this home automation project, we control over garden lights which function on LDR sensor, that is light dependent resistor, and light intensity is dependent on the quantity of sunlight received. If there is dark or no sunlight available, LED would turn on, and if there is sunlight available, then LED would turn off. After that, there is temperature system having heater and cooler which will function according to the temperature around. If the temperature increase above 35 degrees Celsius, then the heater will turn off and we will get the notification that heater is turned off on our mobile application, that is Blink. At last, we control over water tank system, in which we have two valves, that is inlet valve and outlet valve. Here if the water level decrease below 2000 liter, then we will get notification that water level is below 2000 liters on our Blink IoT application, and the inlet valve will turn on automatically. So this is the diagram that how it works. As you can see, there is temperature system, Arduino Uno, Blink IoT application. If the temperature increase above 35 degrees Celsius, then it will give the notification that heater should be turned off. So this is the system or how it will work. This is the screenshot of my project where you can see the cooler, the water tank, LED, the LDR light dependent resistor, the display where temperature and volume is there. You can see that LED is off, means there is light available or sunlight is available. If this range is increased, there means sunlight is not available, there is dark, then this light will on, this LED will turn off, and as you can see it's turned off means there is light available. Okay, so this is the conclusion that using Blink IoT application and PiximLab simulator, home automation project is simulated where LED temperature sensor, cereal tank resembles lights, cooler and water tank in real time. Finally, concluding this project, I would like to really thanks to Emertxe Information Technologies for making this project successfully. And during this Emertxe internship, I learned so many things which will definitely help me in future. So we will go further for the demonstration. First we will see the coding part and then go for the further demonstration. This is the whole code for cereal tank. And there was also coding part for light dimming CLCD also. Okay, so you can see on the screen that library which are used: Wire-Edge library, liquid crystal library. Then we have defined the inlet valve, outlet valve. Okay, we also provide delay in it. This is the whole code. When the inlet valve will disable, when it will be enabled. Okay, so now I just compiled it. It is successfully compiled. You can see on the screen that the variable used in it are 479 bytes. So this is all about the code. Now I will upload it to the PiximLab. So this is the demonstration. Currently the tank is full. Now I'm going to present my mobile screen. Okay, so there are two tabs, tab 1 and tab 2. Tab 1 is for cooler and heater, that is temperature, and tab 2 is for volume. So if we on the cooler will on, you can see it on display, and if we on the heater will also on, and we will get the notification. As soon as the temperature rises above 35 degrees Celsius, we will get a notification that the heater should be turned off. Okay, we get a notification, you can see, and we get it on our Blink IoT application. And about the cereal tank, so this is the cereal tank. If the volume is decreased below 2000 liter, then the inlet valve will automatically on. Okay, so this is the project for. So thank you so much. This is all about the IoT based home automation project.